Today I'm going to teach you how to create this crazy CRT effect, and make sure to watch to the end because I'm going to give away a free preset link down below. So we have our clip right here. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to our effects and presets, and we're going to search for the mosaic effect. And we're going to apply this mosaic effect to our clip, and we're going to get these crazy looking blocks going on. We're just going to increase these up until like we get a nice pixelated pattern. This honestly depends on whatever works best for you. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a Venetian blinds. So I'm going to apply these Venetian blinds just like this. To our clip, and we're going to increase the completion to something like maybe 20, and then we're also going to increase the width or decrease the width until we get like this really crazy screen looking effect. Now you can do this whatever direction you want. If you want to even go crazier, you can just hit Command D on the Venetian blinds, and then you can change the second one to something like 90 degrees. So then that way you have this really cool looking like grid effect. But yeah, it's completely up to you, whatever you want to do. Yeah, that's looking pretty good so far. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for a curves effect. So I'm going to apply this curves to my top layer, and then I'm going to change it from RGB to red, and then we're just going to kind of like mess around with these values until we get some cool looking colors. Now this is basically how you can create like thermal effects inside of Premiere, but you can just do whatever you want. Like I'm just kind of like randomly making some cool S-shaped curves that I think look cool to me. And then I'm going to do the green one, of course, and we'll just mess around with these as well. And yeah, now we're getting like a really sick like thermal effect kind of going on. But then what it's going to make this really cool is I'm going to search for a flicker effect. So I'm going to be using the sapphire flicker effect, which is paid plugin, but it does work really well. But you can use alternatives, which is just like cranking up and cranking down the opacity. It's like literally the same thing, but I'm going to increase that amplitude by maybe like 0.5. And then if we play it out, we get this really cool looking flicker thermal effect going on. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for and apply the colorama. So this is where it's going to get crazy, because I'm going to apply this colorama effect right here. And now we got this really crazy looking heat effect going on. And we're going to basically just mess around with the phase shift. The phase shift is going to give us this like crazy kind of like seizure looking effect. To stop you from like having to keyframe this manually, I'm going to hit the drop down on effects, hit the drop down on colorama, and then I'm going to make sure I find that output phase cycle, and then I'm gonna hit the drop down on input phase, and then I'm gonna hold Option and click on phase shift. Now I'm gonna change this. I'm gonna type in right here where it says expression, I'm gonna type time Astra 45. And then what that's going to do is it's basically going to set some keyframes for us. So that way we don't have to like keep keyframing it constantly. And then I'm going to actually just drag this. I should have done this before, but I'm going to apply this colorama effect a little bit before our curves effect, just so that it's still being applied under all those mosaics as well. Okay, that's looking really cool. That's looking sick. Now what I'm gonna do lastly is I'm gonna search for a glow. You can do whatever glow you want. I'm gonna go, which you can just literally use the standard After Effects glow even if you want, and we just basically increase that radius to make it look a lot smoother and cooler. And yeah, that's looking kind of okay so far. And then lastly, to give it that real CRT effect, we're gonna search for VR chromatic aberrations, and we're gonna apply that right here on top. And then we're going to make sure we drag this before our glow effect. And then we're just going to crank up those aberrations just a little bit so we get some cool. And then sorry guys, I'm going to use one more paid plugin, but this one really brings everything together. We're going to create a new adjustment layer by creating a layer and then creating a new adjustment layer like that. And we're going to search for the signal plugin. This one really brings it all together. So this is a paid plugin, as I mentioned, but once you apply the signal on top, we get a really cool looking TV effect, and we can just basically increase that signal strength to whatever we want and really start to distort the image and give us just like a really dope looking CRT effect. If we do signal strength at 100 and signal amplification at like 20, it really starts to look crazy. You don't want to make it like too unbearable or like too hard to see. But yeah, just have fun with it, mess around with it. And if you want to get rid of that thermal effect, you can just turn off the curves basically and the colorama, most importantly the colorama, and you will get like that sick CRT effect. Yeah, that's looking really crazy. And maybe I might just add one more glow on top, or I can just crank up the glow of this one right here. Maybe we'll do intensity like that. Or I might get rid of this glow and let me try the sapphire glow. kind of just freestyling right now, but that's the point of editing. You just want to kind of have fun with it. Sapphire Glow looks okay as well. Yeah, this one looks okay. Okay, cool. So there you guys have it, a sick, like, distorted CRT effect. It's a really fun way if you want to add some quick distortion to your videos and get some insane texturing going on. And the coolest thing about this is that you can literally just copy all of these, or you can save them as a preset. So if I just hit Command C and copy these, I can paste this to whatever other clip that I want. So I can just try another clip and I can just paste all those same effects, and then we get this crazy CRT texture going on again. Honestly, it looks super dope. I'm really loving this. Hopefully you found this helpful, and just because you watched to the end, I'm gonna be giving away this template completely for free. It's a link below in the description. If you wanna learn how to automatically edit music videos to the beat of the song with visual effects, you can check out this video linked right here.